Get me out of here!
Yes, sir.
Stop him! Yeah. Faster! Go! Go! Lose him! Back there!
Hang on!
Watch out! Experiential! Try this! Maybe something smaller!
No!
You better go for the base.
Okay, pardon me.
We've lost them.
Guys, give me a shot!
Matches, now.
Is that all you got? Because it feels like I'm fighting a big old fluffy cloud. Well, this cloud is about to bring the thunder. Your turn. Why aren't there so many signs?
Yes! Taste the defeat! Let me tell you something. Next time you mess with a panda, you better bring a whole lot.
Guess nobody told you. If you mess with the wolf, you get the fangs. I've hit you twice. What are you gonna do now?
We surrender!
You can chain my body, but you will never chain my warrior spirit.
Hey, don't forget the little guy.
Did you just call me?
Oh, what are you doing?
Trust me, I got a plan. No way. 8-point acupressure cuffs? Just like the ones that held Tai Lung. The more you move, the tighter they get. These are the best cuffs.
Greetings, Panda. At last we meet. No. We meet at last. Yes, that's it. Greetings, Panda. We meet at...
You are afraid for a reason.
I'm not afraid. He's coming to me in chains. If anyone should be afraid, it's...
You.
Don't even think about it.
I hope this turns out better than your plan to cook rice in your stomach by eating it raw and then drinking boiling water.
This plan's nothing like that plan.
How?
Because this one's gonna work.
Keep moving.
My old enemy. Stairs. for carrying me